Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store services keeps stopping in Android phone. So guys, if you are using Android phone and Google Play services or keeps stopping in your phone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So you guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you will find the option of app related like app management or app manage or any other related to apps. So guys, simply you need to open this one, and guys, after this you need to click on app list, and guys, after this here you need to find Google Play services. So guys, I am going to find these. So guys, you can see here I have two Google Play services there. So guys, if you have one, then guys, simply you need to open them, and guys, if you have two, then guys, simply you need to open one by one. So guys, I am going to open first one, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache, and guys, simply you need to click on clear storage. And guys, after this here is the option of clear all data. So guys, you need to clear it and delete it. And guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, now I am going to open second one, and guys, simply you need to open it and click on storage and cache. And guys, after this you need to click on clear storage and clear all data. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.